Okay, Jambo.
Bonjour tout le monde. For my Kenyan friends, I will be translating what I will say in Creole right after that. Because you deserve to know the truth. Nan ane 2024 la, mwen te fe yon ti kampe sou kesyon operasyon pou sekurite Haitian. Paske mwen wè se film moun nan gouvernement Haitien yo tap monte. Men nan komansman 2025 la, nou e an pil bon aktivite komanse. Gade Fòs Kenian yo ki ap Travay Seryezman. Nan yon lekol, yo ede rassemble environ 300 elèv epi Fòs Kenian yo ap ensenye timoun yo Swahili. Yo di paran timoun yo te tombe nan diferent sikonstans tankou lan mò an ba balgang ou bien deplasman masiv pou yo kouri kite zon yo. Yon nan chef polis Haitien yo konfime, se vre, se pa film kap fet. Nan yon lot video mwen pral montre nou kote mesye Kenian yo parèt rapide nan Thomasin. Bandi te menase ke yo prali pran zon Thomasin epi moun Thomasin rele. Nou konen polisye Haitien yo kon toujou di yo pa gen gaz. Polisye Kenian yo men te parèt rapide. Bon travay mesye, bravo. The multinational security support and the Kenyans work in Haiti. In 2024, I stopped talking about Haitian security support operation because I saw that the Haitian government was making fake movies. But at the beginning of 2025, we see a lot of good activities started. For example, we see the Kenyan forces working hard. In a school, they helped to gather about 300 students, and the Kenyans are teaching them Swahili. They say the children's parents have fallen into different circumstances, such as death by gang shooting or massive displacement to flee the areas. One of the Haitian police chief confirmed that this is the truth. In another video, I will show you where the Kenyan men quickly appeared in Thomasin because the bandit threatened to take over the area and the people of Thomasin called the police for help. We know that Haitian police always say they have no gas in their cars, but the Kenyan police themselves showed up quickly. Good job, sir. Bravo. Mais bon bagay. On suive.
Je vais répéter. Jambo. Jambo bwana. Habari gani. Mzuri sana. C'est bien compris? Oui. Ok. Jambo. Jambo bwana. Habari gani. Mzuri sana. Bonjour. Bonjour monsieur. Comment ça va? Ça va bien. Merci.
Maria, mama wetu wema, mama ongozi wetu, nakupenda, nichukue, nipeleke kwake Yesu, manao nakupenda.
Depuis on yon force éducation yo pote, quel que soit mon nom, c'est appuyer yo. It's not only we come and teach the Bible. If somebody comes with education, we have to support and pay attention. C'est pas seulement mon nan vin prêcher la Bible, nous dit amen et puis
having patrols day and night
depuis c'est
that are coming here
for
to make sure that those bad guys, the guys We are here today at Atras area, where gangs had invaded on 1st of January 2025, while this country of Haiti was celebrating the Independence Day. And we received a message very early in the morning that there is a group of gangs who has invaded Thomasin area. And we made efforts and joined hands with the PNH police, and we came with a team whereby we surely engage the gangs. There was many, and even if you see this hill up here, they had invaded up to this hill and beyond, but we managed to repulse them. We engaged them. So we pushed them down and they went away, whereby we overpowered them. And currently the area is safe and it is very peaceful. And the members of the public have now come back and they are going on with their life as usual. The members of the public in this country, they are very good. They interact with us each and every day, and they give us information concerning the movements of each and every gang around. And when we get the information, we act promptly to make sure that we push them away and we make sure that they stay safe.